We're going 6 miles an hour downstream on the Thames. We're almost to Lake St. Clair. 8 miles per hour. Okay, this is the original propeller from the Erie Hobo, and it's a little beat up, dinged up. I never ran this one just because it was beat up. I thought I should get a new one. This is what I bought from Amazon. Now we have this. This is a different animal. This is apples and oranges. This is glass-filled plastic, so it's a composite prop. This 4-blade. It's Swedish. It's Propulse, and it's something that I guess West Marine was carrying, and then there was a surplus of them bought out by Princess Auto here in Canada. And it is adjustable. The pitch. Just going to show you what it is. It's an 11¾ diameter, variable pitch, 4-blade. The area is like so. The area is less. That is not really an appropriate propeller. It's too high a pitch. It's for a faster boat, and this thing, as heavy as it is not a fast boat. So instead of 17 pitch, I've been advised to get it down to something like an 11. It was suggested, hey, get a 13-inch diameter 11 pitch Solus. That's what one local place suggested, but they can't get me the propeller fast enough. Yeah, we're headed along the Thames River from Lake St. Clair up to Chatham, Ontario. We're making all of 5.5 miles an hour. Speed limit on the river is 5.